Hey everybody. So today I was out with buyers and I've been working with this lady for a while, and we've had the conversation back and forth about combating the high interest rates, and we've tossed around the term rate buy down or seller concessions for a buy down. And I know that's kind of been a buzzword, and I'm guilty. Like I just assume that people know what that means. And my client today was like, "Hey, what does this mean?" And so I thought, oh my gosh, I think there's a lot of people out there that may be on the same boat with my client and not know what this means. So I wanted to just get on here really quickly and talk a little bit about it. So with interest rates being in the upper sevens, if you're considering writing a contract to buy a piece of property, you can ask a seller for concessions back at closing. And a rate buy down is exactly that. You can get money from a seller at closing, and you can use that predetermined amount of money, whether it's 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 12,000, whatever the number is, and you can use it with your mortgage and buy your rate down. If you're going to use this tactic, I would encourage you to talk to your agent, have them get with your mortgage, whoever's going to service your mortgage, your loan officer, your lender, and find out, what's most impactful. If you had $5,000, what does that do to your interest rate? $5,000, does that buy you down a quarter of a point, a half a point? What's the most effective? Because when you look at right now getting into a home, if you're looking at a $500,000 home and a seller were to offer a $15,000 price reduction, that $15,000 off of the price does nothing in terms of your monthly payment. It's going to be nothing. But if you took that same $15,000 that a seller was going to give you and used it to buy your interest rate down, now you're talking significant amounts. Like you could potentially reduce your payment by $100 to $200 a month. So if you're thinking and trying to be outside the box and trying to be proactive and get your payments down, talk to your agent and talk to your mortgage, your lender, and see if seller concessions and money back at closing from a seller would be something that would be good for you. You can also do it yourself if you have extra cash. You can also buy your own rate down. But if you're negotiating with a seller right now, don't be afraid to ask for money back for a rate buy down. So anyway, sorry that we just kind of get to moving along and assume that everybody knows what terms mean, but rate buy down, it's a buzzword right now, but that's what it is.